Hey, check this out. I just logged into my Warrior Plus account, and as you can see, I've earned $191,323.75 from this one account alone in the past year. These are online earnings that can be withdrawn to my bank account at any moment. This money gives me the ability to take proper care of my family, send my kids to the best schools, hire maids to cook and clean my home, and comfortably pay all the bills. After all, isn't that what you want as well? So, how did I make this money? Well, it all comes down to 11 online profit campaigns that make me money from platforms like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, and much, much more. With the technology that my team has developed, these campaigns are capable of driving free traffic to themselves from places like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and much, much more. And the best part is, I can start up these money-making campaigns at the press of a button. Yep, just one click is all it takes. After that point, these campaigns begin driving visitors to themselves, which in turn allows us to receive hundreds of dollars, if not thousands of dollars, on a daily basis. Now, let me ask you this. How would it feel for you to start seeing those kind of results? It would feel incredible, am I right? I must say, the thrill of making money online never gets old. And I want you to have the chance to experience it as well. So, that's why I've made the decision to give away these 11 proven done-for-you money-making campaigns. Introducing Clone My Campaigns. This is something I've never done before in my 19-year online marketing career. I've decided to give away my 11 most profitable money-making campaigns for the same price of a cheap t-shirt. If you're tired of messing around with things like traffic, conversions, paid ads, emails, chatbots, this is a great way to get rid of all the confusion. Just simply take 30 seconds to plug in your details and activate them all at once at the press of a button. No hard work, no tedious setup, no struggling to get traffic, no headaches, no nonsense. Yes, Clone My Campaigns is your chance to take the fast track to online success. Let me show you how easy it is to get started. Step 1. Click any of the buttons on this page to get a copy of Clone My Campaigns at the lowest possible price. We are currently running a special discount for the early bird users, but we plan on charging a monthly subscription shortly, so get in while the one-time price is still available. Step 2. Fill out a few small details and hit the Activate button to fire up the 11 done-for-you money-making campaigns. Remember, you're getting the exact done-for-you money-making campaigns that have been getting me profits for years now. All you have to do is edit a few details and activate the campaigns. That's it. There couldn't be more of a foolproof road to success than this. So, you don't have to worry about messing this up. This is the opposite of complex. Just turn on my done-for-you campaigns and you're all set. So, how much will it cost for you to get your hands on Clone My Campaigns? Well, these campaigns have made me hundreds of thousands of dollars, so it would be reasonable to charge $97, if not $397 every month. But for the early bird users of Clone My Campaigns, we're doing something special. If you act right now, you'll be able to get your hands on Clone My Campaigns for the price of a pizza pie. Just don't delay, as this is only available to the early adopters of Clone My Campaigns. And to remove all risk on your end, you're backed by our 180-day better than money back guarantee. Here's the deal. If you aren't able to see results with Clone My Campaigns, just let us know within the next 180 days of your purchase and we'll send every penny back. Heck, we'll even throw in $250 as a nice gesture. Either way, you win. The only way you lose is by not getting your hands on Clone My Campaigns. So, what are you waiting for? Take the plunge. Click the button right now to get Clone My Campaigns at a low one-time investment so you can start seeing results every time someone clicks their mouse. I'll see you inside.